Check out this Dodge 2018 Durango RT. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are navigation system, Garmin, 10 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, audio memory, radio data system, radio, Uconnect 4C nav with 8.4 display, air conditioning, automatic temperature control and front dual-zone AC. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.